Hi, this is Dean Cagle. I'm with Simply Be Found. I want to do a quick training video for you real quick. We've had some people ask how to use the to-do list and how posts work a little bit. You can see that this is a live member, and they have a pretty decent SEO score because they stay up with the to-do list and stay up with our schedule. And so you can see right here that you can choose to do a to-do list, which is to create a schedule of posts. And you see that this is the modal that pops up for that. Let's do a cancel real quick. And if we come over here and do a post, we can do the same thing. When create a post, you'll see that same pop-up happens for you. So you can do it from either location. So what we're going to do is add a photo at this point, and we're going to find a picture. There's the one we're looking for this member. And you can see that the image appears here for you. We have a cropping tool that allows you to change the size of how you want the image to look. We're going to make it look about like that. We're going to do a little bit of a crop, and that's what we're going to call that good for the image for the post. Right there. So there's your image. It gives you a preview for you. Next, we want to do is add a summary. We have already created a summary, so you don't have to watch me type because my typing skills are terrible. And you can see that you can make a pretty long piece of information come out. You put a lot of information in there. You want to talk about what your project is, a little about the products maybe that you do, the service you do, where it happens, and so that's what the whole point of that part is for putting right about the post. Put as much information in there as you can. We're going to do a call to action button. We're going to do a learn more, and we're going to put in kwshirts.com. So let's do this right here. And I don't see that going in right now as a URL, but let's go right here, and that's their email. I may have to go get their actual address, their website, and this doesn't work for right now. We're going to go ahead and do publish now. And we're going to send it to both Google and Facebook at the same time. So you see, it doesn't take a long time to do this. It takes probably longer to write up your information. But once you get the hang of that and what you want to say, it goes really, really quickly for you. So we're going to go ahead and do a publish now. And it's taking a little bit of time because it depends on how many people are pushing at the time, but we're putting the information out there for you. There it is. You can see we've successfully created the post. If we want to view what the post looks like, we can click here. It shows you about the learn more. If you click on it, it should take you to the website for you, or your URL, or your landing page, wherever it is that you're directing this on the learn more, or get a quote, whatever it is you choose for. Remember that those only work on the Google products, and it doesn't necessarily work on, well, it does not work with Facebook, the call to actions. So let's go in here and let's look at K&W Printing. You can see right here, this was their posts up to this point, and we're going to refresh the screen. And you see right there that the new post is already in there, happened 46 seconds ago. That's how quick the information gets out there. It may take a little longer depending on how many people are pushing at that particular time. They put everything into queue, but it's really, really that simple. That's it for posts. That's how simple it is for you to create a post. We go back to our home page, and we look here, and you see right here that because we did the post and we didn't necessarily do it through the to-do list, that do you want to do a post is taken down. It repeats itself when it's time to do another one. You'll see it in the to-do list. So you can do it either from the to-do list or from the left panel. So that's it. That's how simple it is to do a post. And you can see I did that in under 5 minutes. So simplybefound.com. Check us out. Check out our YouTube, subscribe to it because we'll have more of these types of training videos in the future. Thank you.